Hi everyone, welcome to the quick report generation using Excel. So today we are generating the exam type of skill based Mount Elgon report card using Excel sheet. So this is a sample report card I have and this is a sample Excel sheet. Now in this Excel sheet you need to enter or replace your data in order to print this kind of a report card. So this is the school sheet in which you need to enter all the school or the institute details including logo, the grade boundaries, academic year and all it is printed over here, like this is the school name, address, this report name, the logos. Now these grade boundaries are printed at the bottom or the last page of the report card, and this academic growth key as well. Now this is promoted to option, and you can choose theme from these themes and enter the theme name over here. Now let's go to student data. Here uh, you need to enter your student list, the class name, their roll number, attendance details, date of birth, GR number, and promoted to. So all these details are printed here. Now let's move to the subject result. So here in the subject result, here again this is the student list, term 1 and term 2. Here is the subject, history, English, Hindi, Marathi, and like that. You need to enter the subject or replace your subjects, enter the marks of term 1 and term 2 or the grades as per your requirement, overall total. Let's see over here. See, here is the periodic test or PT marks are printed as it is. These are the subjects, and similarly for the term 2. So these are printed for all the subjects. Now let's move to the student comment. So here are some comments for the student. You need to enter the comments in front of the student and the comments are visible here as a class teacher's comment. Now the next sheet is the signatures. Here enter the name and the designation of the signature holder and upload the digital signature or enter the digital signature here. So these will be printed as it is or at the bottom of the report card. Now these co-scholastic scales are remaining and the discipline scales as well. So here in the co-scholastic areas, term 1, again enter the student names, student list here, and whatever the scales are, enter the scale names here and enter the grades. Similarly for the co-scholastic areas, term 2, discipline term 1 and term 2. So this is how we can generate the Mount Elgon report using Excel sheet.